In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email sequences in Monday.com. CRM. We'll walk through setting up the Gmail app inside your Monday.com CRM so you can power email sequences from the board where you manage your leads and deals. Start by heading to your Monday.com home. From there, move into your workspaces area. Workspaces are where your boards live, so it's the best place to make sure the app lands exactly where your team needs it. At the top of the screen, find the small puzzle piece icon. That opens the app's marketplace. This is where Monday.com hosts official and partner-built tools that extend your CRM. You can browse categories if you want to see what's available, but the fastest path is to use the search bar. Type Gmail into the search field. You're looking for the official Gmail app that integrates directly with Monday.com. Click into the Gmail listing. You should see that it's a built-in option, which means it's maintained to meet Monday.com standards and it's designed to work cleanly with your boards. Next, select Use App. This begins the install process and asks you to choose where the app belongs. Pick the workspace where your CRM boards live so your whole team can access it in the right place. If your account has permission controls, make sure you choose a workspace that matches your team's visibility needs. Now choose the specific board that will drive your email sequences, such as your leads or deals board. Confirm the board, open it if prompted, and then add the app to that board. Adding the app at the board level ensures your columns, items, and automations can talk to the email integration without extra configuration later. If you're prompted to use a template, select the one that best matches your workflow. A CRM-focused template will typically include common fields like contact details, status, owners, and dates. Great foundations for timing and personalizing your sequences. Choosing a template here saves setup time and helps you keep your data structured in a way that email automations can easily reference. That's it for the core setup. To recap, you navigated to your workspaces, opened the marketplace via the puzzle icon, searched for Gmail, used the official app, targeted the correct workspace and board, added the app, and picked a template that fits your CRM process. With the Gmail app now installed on your CRM board, you're positioned to manage email sequences where your data already lives, keeping outreach organized, trackable, and aligned with your team's pipeline.